Oh yeah, I got the ultimate spot, bro. Close blue crate.
Blue crate. Good shot. Good shot.
I don't like this spot anymore. You can't see all the way through now. Let's go back. It's not a bad spot through here. Oh yeah.
Shielding.
Hey, watch yourself, man. There's a really good spot to look right there.
Oh, I can see, that's fine.
Yeah, it's a really good spot on there, guys.
Oh, let me you know I can move this?
Huh? Yeah, you can. Hurry up before my voice.
They can't get through that left side, can they? I got the ultimate spot, bro.
I love it. I love the position, man.
He's got the angles.
One's running behind the board. It's him.
Yeah. The back's not going to be enjoying this. Is that an enemy?
Yeah, someone over there.
Is that an enemy?
Yeah, red. There. There. To your right.
I can't see that high. They're trying to push us through this side. Oh.
Yeah, the girl's saying up there.
Yeah, you cover that then. You cover that.
Hello.
Tell me if you need help.
Huh?
Tell me if you need help.
No. You keep coming there. You come over there. If you just keep low, you're low enough.
I'm keeping low.
What that's like, so anyway, ain't it?
Yeah. Oh, he's on the right. Second door long. I can see his head if he come around that corner.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's down there.
Huh?
I got it, but he's on the left. It's one.
So you can crawl.
Got him.
Yeah. Oh no, another one.
I got him.
Oh! He's in the crate.
Crate.
Can you cover the crate?
Okay, one behind the blue car.
The far crate, yeah?
Behind the blue car. Okay, the blue van.
Oh.
Don't I ask you here?
Hold that, hold the right.
Yep.
I got this. Oh, one left. No, blue crate. Close blue crate!
Blue crate. Hit, dead man. Good shot. Good.
Oh, see it!